Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today is December 27th, 2024, and today is actually my mom's birthday, and we used to call her, in my Genevieve world, we used to call her Mama Vive, and she used to help a lot with Facebook, and a lot of you guys got to know her through Facebook because she was very, very, very kind and helpful if you had issues, or if you, let's say you were trying to join my Facebook group but you didn't answer the questions, or your profile was private or blocked or something, she would send you a nice message. I mean, yeah, she did a lot. She did a lot for me when she was here. She passed away. It'll be 6 years now, next month. Holy moly. 6 years next month. Well, anyway, so today's her birthday, so we're going to do a little short video. I've got the kids all coming over. We're going to do a special dinner and stuff with her, or for her. And I'm actually recording this ahead of time because it's Christmas week and I've got a ton of things to do. But this video, you'll see this video on my mom's birthday. So anyway, so shout out to my mom. Happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday in heaven, Mom. Mama Vive, I miss you and love you very much. So we're going to do an easy, simple thing. A little task, a tiny task. I know I said that about this last video. This is the, let me show you. This is the 25 and Peppermint paper collection that we are using in the Timeless scrapbook album. And this is where we are right now. And I have a whole video playlist. If you want to check it out, I will put it up here in the cards and in the description box, so you can start from the beginning and work your way through. But this was the last video where we did all of this embellishment. Let's see, they're the same, except that cute little bow is in the middle of the page, like it's a little bow on top of a package or something. It's so cute. And this was the last video. So all I want to do today is work on these inserts that are behind those policy envelopes. Let's just keep it simple because, again, it's Christmas week and I just wanted to spend time with you guys, a little time with you guys anyway. So both of these inserts are just plain. They have the script on the back, but on this side I have already pre-cut some coffee stained paper that, for the mats, that I splattered watercolor on. Let me scoot you in a little bit. Maybe you can see it better. Okay, and I still cannot decide if I want to make this a tag or not, but I did grab some embellishments from the embellishment pack, and I thought about adding these in here, or on here, on the top, kind of like this. So I guess then technically it wouldn't have to be a tag, but we can still do the pull. It doesn't have to be shaped like a tag, but I do like that. So let's do this. Should we leave this loose though, so that we could put maybe photo or something on the back? Let's do that. Let's do this. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I did ink these up a little bit, just so you guys know. I am just going to glue these on the top, so maybe I'll put the less splattered on the top there. I'm just going to use a little bit of Fabri-Tac, and I'm going to glue these down. I guess you could add as many sheets as you like, but keep in mind this is going behind an envelope, so we don't want it to get caught up. This one could be so simple. This is going to be a quick and easy little video, I think. And I guess since it's after Christmas when you see this, how was your Christmas? Did you have a good Christmas? Did you have a nice holiday? You still have holiday plans? You still have things you have to do? We do. We still have another family gathering that will be happening in January. Right, I don't know why I'm keep fussing about with those. Okay, so then I did ink these up, I think, for the most part. Let's attach this. I'm just going to attach it at the top, just in case we want to tuck some things in there, right? Let's do both. You never know. I do like that rough edge there. And then let's attach this down to the top. Okay, so far so good. How's that look? That looks pretty nifty. All right, then let's do a hole reinforcement. Where's the green ones? Okay, there. I'm wondering if we should do a green one. Let's do a green one. All right, I'm going to find the center of this. Put a hole reinforcement on there. Is that the center? Why does it never look like it's right? No, it's correct. Okay. I'm going to punch through here. And I'm going to lay this on here. I'm going to punch through that one as well. Do the hole reinforcement on here. I do like that. I like that a lot. But I do want to put something on the back side too. So let's do these speckled green ones, and then let's add something to these. Let's add an embellishment or some washi tape or both to the back sides. Let's get out the washi. Let me scooch back. Okay, we're gonna open the washi, not get out. We did this early on. It's in the playlist. It is the metallic washi tape, and we've got lots and lots to choose from. And I'm kind of leaning towards this green color. So what else? We got some wording somewhere here. Oh wait, these are cute. No, those are just too big. Too big. No. I'm just looking to see what we got here. Oh, we got these. No. And they don't have to be the same. Or maybe they do. And then maybe some green washi. Okay, let's see. With some of this metallic. That'd be nice. All right. This is let's do it like this. Then we can have that one there. Oh, that's not going to work. I guess we could have it. Sorry, I'm being so quiet, you guys. I'm thinking, I'm concentrating. Okay. All right, so I like those, but I don't like these. Okay, let's pick something else. A sleigh ride. Let's look at the other embellishments. Sorry about my nose. It's aggravating right now. No. We can add the little jingle bells on this instead. Yep, okay, let's do that. All right, whoa, I didn't mean for that to happen. I'm gonna scoot y'all back out just a little, so maybe I feel like I cut you all off last video. I'm gonna ink these up a little. They don't have to be exact. I mean, are they gonna be out at the same time? Probably not, but just in case. Okay, I'm gonna chop that one off to right there. Put that right there. Okay, over here. Let's just have it go. Leave the whole thing intact. That is so cute. All right, I'm gonna cut this off clean right here. Ink that up. Could it use any more washi tape? What do you guys think? Do you think that's good enough? What about on this side? That is so cute. I love that. What about on this side? Do you think it needs anything else? Like there's boom boom. I kind of like it. I kind of like it just like that. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to add some baker's twine. So we've used the gold already. Have we used the, should we use pink? Have we even used pink yet? I don't know if we have. Should we use both? Let's do both. Oh, I keep setting that down. So, one of each. Let's thread it through. That's a way too much, isn't it? Okay, that's cute. Alright, let's see what they look like. Oh! We could put... Oops. See, that's the only... There we go. That's the only problem, is that... There we go. We could put some jingle bells there, but I don't think we're going to. I think I like it just like that. Yeah. I like it. That looks super cute. What do you guys think? Alright, well that was really simple, wasn't it? That was really, really simple. Well, I just wanted to spend a little bit of time with you guys. I just wanted to make sure that you, I just wanted to spend a little bit of time with you guys and wish you a Happy New Year. I'm not sure if I will have another video out before the next year. So if I don't talk to you until next year, Happy New Year. And thank you so much for joining me today, you guys. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.